India's first atomic power plant is? Answer: Tarapur. India is the seventh largest country in the world and occupies? Answer: 2.4% of world area. India is divided into? Answer: 9 postal zones. Vembanad Lake is located in? Answer: Kerala. The oldest mountains in India are? Answer: Aravalis. The oldest oil refinery in India is at? Answer: Digboi, Assam. The percentage of India's total population employed in agriculture is nearly? Answer: 70%. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquakes? Answer: Ganga-Brahmaputra Valley. The 2 states of India most richly endowed with iron ore are? Answer: Bihar and Orissa. The number of major ports in India is? Answer: 13. The most important breed of wool-producing sheep in the world is? Answer: Texel. The study of universe is called? Answer: Cosmology. Which planet is known as sister of Earth? Answer: Venus. The planet which has maximum number of satellites is? Answer: Jupiter. The largest Indian mammal is? Answer: Elephant. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Answer: Kosi River. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is? Answer: 5 km. The largest satellite in the solar system is? Answer: Ganymede. The study of moon is called? Answer: Selenology. The largest port of India is? Answer: Mumbai Port. Please mention your score also on comment box. Like, share and support Indian Learning Quiz YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.